Alright, so that is a wrap on day one. I'm gonna prep my coffee again, like I did last night. That worked out pretty well, if I do say so myself. And we're gonna get cleaned up and get to bed. I've got my pants from today drying. Took a pretty big wave. Those the waves were definitely rough out there. The wind was horrible. These are some choppy little 2-footers. Oh man, here comes a good one. Brace it. Brace it. That one almost. Beep. Beep. All right, we got to point the right direction. Wow. I ain't gonna lie, that one was close. I remembered to roll up the windows to the van tonight, so last night was comfortable. I expect tonight to be warm, even with the outside temperatures getting cooler. Yeah, that's it. Day two. Didn't do much for dinner because I ended up also having fajitas with the neighbors. Made some fajitas. They invited me over, so I shared a little bit of my jambalaya with them. And yeah, I'm pumped up. I'm excited. All right, for dinner tonight, we're gonna make us some jambalaya, and we're gonna put some jalapeno cheese sausage in there with it. Yeah, she's boiling. And we're down to simmer time. It's coming together. We'll put the phone down and stir it a little bit better. And we're just a few minutes away from being done. Cook off a little bit of this water. The tournament is tomorrow. Practice went okay-ish. I don't think I have a chance to win, but you never know. See y'all tomorrow. All right, 1475 Fayette. Here you go. Night two is done on to day three. Last night was weird. It got so hot in here because I remembered to roll the window up. Had to get up and turn all the heat off. Period. So but today's kayak tournament day. Coffee's brewing, and we're going to see how the day goes, and hopefully do good in this tournament. And get on and off that water safely. And yeah, coffee, breakfast. Let's go. It's got ice in it. All right. So we did catch fish yesterday. We didn't catch any giants. We lost at least one really good one, but 2 good ones. Not enough to win a tournament. Probably not even enough to place in the money. We've got roughly 80 anglers. Somewhere 75 to 80 anglers. If we want to win any money, we'll have to do pretty good today. We just sipped on the coffee. make our way down to the ramp.
So, and they're definitely not tired, so I'm sure I'll lose the top. Looks like for at least only enough for this time I push them to the stay close. Hopefully I can see it.
We didn't win any money, but we won a couple soft baits. Everybody's getting ready to clear out. It was a fun tournament. 83 people, I believe they said. So we're going to get back, get the gear ready, and we're going to have a good old camping time tonight. Simple meal. I think hamburgers, sausage. I don't have no buns. So I'll probably cook the hamburgers, chop them up, put them on a tortilla. I've been talking to this thing this whole time. Hey, you gonna split that with me? No, I'll probably end up bringing you over some of this too, Tony, be honest with you. All right. Do some jalapeno sausage, premium sausage. HEB. HEB genuinely has some pretty legit products. And I'm not sponsored. If anything, HEB sponsored by me as much money as I spend there. Got a feeling them hamburgers are going to be raw as hell on the inside. Burning the dogs. Sausage links. They're not hot dogs. That one's going to be all right. Back that one away from the heat a little bit. That one too. That one too. Let that go. Always overdo the meat, especially when camping. Oh, it would be park probably not so bad, but I'd hate to be camping and get food poisoning. Can you get food poisoning if you burn your food? Man, I got some keto-friendly tortillas, if there is such a thing. That's what I got. Let those heat up for just a few seconds and then flip them over. And I'll already tell those things are getting hot quick. Yeah, those are definitely I'm gonna make like some hamburger meat tacos, so just gonna break these up. I probably should have been more strategic about it, but burnt, of course. Yeah, sausages are definitely done. Just a few more seconds on the hamburger meat, and then I'll be happy. definitely pull these sausages off. We'll put these up. This gotta be done. Gotta be done enough. Man down. This is the plan. I don't know if I should do some mustard or not, but I'm going to. A little bit of mustard. Just a butter knife. Chop. Chop. Uh-oh. Come on, HEB. I've been bragging on you. Don't let me down. Here. A bit of the cheddar blend on the bottom. It'll make it nice and cheesy. This up. We're going to cut a little sausage up. Go in there. All right. Look at my fingers, but it's my cheese. A little more cheese on top. Ooh. Bowl to help keep it somewhat together. Uh-oh. Same thing. Oh man, I forgot to. I was going to test. We can still do it. We can still do it. Those HEB pre-seasoned burgers are pretty dadgum good. And this time, we're going to use the Dollar General Easy Cheese, which I don't think is actually Dollar General, but we'll see which one tastes better. Sweet. I'll let y'all know how it goes. So the first one with just the Kraft cheddar cheese is pretty good. I'll try this one with the canned cheese. Oh wow. That canned cheese is what's up. I'm gonna put some of that on the other one. It's that good. There you go. Canned cheese is the winner. HEB hamburgers and HEB premium sausage. Some Kraft cheddar blend. A little bit of mustard. Good to go. Dude, that's one cheap meal. $6, $7, 13. It's under 20 bucks for sure. Doing this and not the hamburger, it's going to feed 2 people no matter what. You probably feed 3 or 4 people with it doing it like this. All right, what I'm going to do now, just to make my life a little bit easier, starting the fire tonight. I'm going to dump these coals. Tow hitch from my trailer. Get some twigs mixed in. And that's just the fire. You don't have to worry about getting going. That is what I'm hoping. Is what I'm hoping. Worst case scenario, I'll put some charcoal lighter on it. We'll run the mosquitoes away for 67 miles. It looks like we got fire. What a great day 3, night 3 of camping. Little fireplace in there. Check that out. Fireplace, it's electric heater. First night slept like a champ, left the window wide open. Last night I burned up and had to wake up and turn the heater off. It was so uncomfortable. So tonight I cracked the windows. We'll run it with the heat, see how things go. And I'll see you all in the morning. Good morning. It's our last day here at Oak Thicket Park on Fayette County Lake in LaGrange, Texas. Man, was a great trip. Loved it. Last night it's coldest. It got down to 38. It got down to 28 degrees, 30 degrees in that range, so below freezing. We've got our coffee brewed, a couple Twinkies in our body for nourishment. Twinkies rule. Got the heater going. I'm just waiting for the sun to come up a little bit so I can tighten up the trailer, make sure that's in good shape. But yeah, that was an awesome trip. I definitely would recommend anyone who's into outdoors and fishing come out here to Fayette County Reservoir. It's great fishing. By all accounts, the conditions should have been really poor, and with it, on any other lake, I don't know that we get bit this weekend. So it was good. Power Plant Lake water temps were mid to upper 50s. If you got the right bait and got around them, it definitely was good, which is the case for just about any fishery. We enjoyed it. We had fun. Got to do a meal or two in this video, which is an accomplishment for me. Got to eat a free meal. The neighbors cooked some fajitas and took care of me Friday night. But yeah, it's good. I think we're getting a little bit better at filming the camping stuff. Yeah, that's about all I got to say about that. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you would. It helps me get this channel growing. We're currently at 152 subscribers, so we're growing slowly but surely. But yeah, that's awesome. I'm pumped and I'm thrilled to be getting and doing more of this stuff. And hopefully I get good at it. Hopefully I get good at it enough to teach people and show people how to do things. For now, we'll roll with learning from my mistakes, and I've had a few along the way. Yeah, thanks for coming along. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope the videos are getting better, and thank you so much for watching.